Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be going over the Urban Decay and Kristen Leanne collection. How gorgeous is this packaging though? I love it. So pretty. So I'm going to be going over pretty much everything in the entire collection. The only things that I don't have from the collection are the liquid lipstick duo and then the other liquid lipstick. But I do have all three of the regular lipsticks. I have the highlight palette, the regular eyeshadow palette, and then the other eyeshadow palette that has like more shimmery and metallic-y shades. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do swatches for you guys and give you guys the specs. So if you want to know more about this collection, then just keep watching. Alright guys, so first we're going to start off with this palette right here. I am wearing pretty much everything on my face today. I got the highlight palette going on, got this eyeshadow palette going on the lids, got this eyeshadow palette going on in like the crease and upper crease, and I have one of the lipsticks on my lips. So we're going to go ahead and go over this palette first. This one is the, what is this called? The Kaleidoscope Dream Eyeshadow Palette, and oh my gosh, girl, it's gorgeous. I am obsessed with all the shades in here. It's very just fun and colorful. You could totally be creative with it. I did a super neutral look today, so I totally did not get creative with it today. But I have done some more colorful looks with it in the past like week or so. So I'll go ahead and leave my Instagram down below for you guys if you guys want to see any of the looks I've done with it. I think I've done like 3 or maybe even 4 looks with it thus far. If you guys want to see a tutorial using this palette or using anything in the collection, just let me know and I can do that for you. I haven't filmed one yet, but if you guys want one, let a girl know. It is $39. I think everything in the collection you can find at urbandecay.com, Sephora, Ulta has stuff from the collection, and I think Macy's might also have some stuff too. I don't know exactly what each store carries from the collection. I'm assuming it's like the entire collection, but if it's not, I know that each store has something from the collection from what I saw online. Okay, so moving on, this is what the packaging looks like. How pretty is that? And this is what the back looks like. Really pretty. And you open it up and it comes with a relatively large mirror. And then we have all the shades here. So please excuse my ratchet nails. But these are all the shades. Very, very, very colorful. This right here is a super duper matte shade. So, but everything else is shimmery and or metallic. So really pretty palette. You can definitely get super creative with it. This is the look that I created today. I'll give you guys kind of like a close-up of it. Just a basic look. I used Corona all over the lid. And then I went in with all of the shades, pretty much all the shades in this palette here for everything else. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch everything on my hand first, and then I'll let you guys see it all. Or I'll swatch as much as I can because I don't think I can fit every single thing on my hand. We're going to try. Oh no, there's another matte shade in here. Oh, hello. So Tahine right here is also a matte shade. Oh, it's very like velvety though. I don't think I've used that shade yet. Just going to go super rando with all these swatches. So, oh, I love that one. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this in 2 sessions. So right here we have Spitfire, and then this one right here is Stay Gold. This super duper gorgeous color right here is called Brixton. And then this shade right here is called Leo. It's kind of like a mermaidy type of shade. This matte shade here is called Tahine, and this lime green shade is called Lime Time. So that is some of the shades in the palette. Okay, and here are the rest of the shades. So this right here is LCL. This one is TRM. This one is DYE, so dye, well, like hair dye. And then this one here is Corona, which is what I have on my lids. And then this shade right here is called 13th Floor. Super matte black, very like charcoal-like, like it's super duper pigmented. So yeah, these are all of those shades, the rest of the palette. What do you guys think? Really pretty, right? I love them. That black is legit. So yeah, those were all the shades in that palette. Next we'll move on. Oh, hello. I am just throwing it places. I don't know what's going on. Okay. Okay, so next we have the Daydream eyeshadow palette. This one's a very, very warm toned, neutral eyeshadow palette, all matte shades. I have been obsessing over this palette lately. I've been using it a lot because it's like my basic everyday kind of colors. Love this shade, love this shade, love this shade. These shades are really great too if you're going for a very warm toned eyeshadow look, so I love them. This is what the outside of the palette looks like. It's like that, and that's the back of it. And then when you open it up, it comes with a brush. The other palette came with a brush too. I don't know if I mentioned that. And then we've got the little mirror there going on. I still have like the plastic film on it. And this palette runs for $26, so that's not too bad. And this is like a great like everyday kind of palette. I gotta be at the office kind of palette. I gotta go to school kind of palette. It's just a really great everyday kind of palette. So I'll go ahead and swatch everything for you guys. I have a hair in my mouth. Ugh, hello. Okay, so here are all the shades in that palette. This palette was a little bit easier to swatch since there wasn't so many colors. But this one right here is Subscribe. This is 1212. This one is Daydream. This is Lucy, and this is 8. That is what those shades look like. They're very pigmented and they're super duper easy to blend, you guys. I love this palette. I think it's great. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this palette. Next we have the Beauty Beam Highlight Palette. This one's a highlighter palette. I just used it today for the first time. I hadn't used it before, but I really like it. I don't know if you guys can see that, if I look washed out or not, but that's basically what it's got going on there. Hello. And this is what the packaging looks like. So pretty. I freaking love this. Look how pretty that is. So beautiful. It's very prismatic. This one runs for $34 and it comes with 3 different highlight shades. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. This is the shade that I used today on the high points of my face. I haven't tried the other shades yet, but we'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. And then it also comes with like a little mirror. Once again, still got the plastic thing on it. But yeah, that's what the shades look like there. Ooh, girl. Ooh, that is pretty. Hello. Ooh, that'd be good over some bronzer, like during the summer. This one is Gorgina. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm obsessing. So here we go. Look how beautiful those shades are, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is the one that I have on the high points of my cheeks right now. But this one, I die. This one would be really great on me over like some bronzer. Oh, how pretty is that? I love them. They're so beautiful. Love that. Love this palette. They're very buttery in texture too. They don't feel dry at all. So yeah, that's gonna be it for the highlight palette. Okay, so last but not least, we have the lipsticks. So the lipsticks originally come in a box that looks like this. Really, really pretty. And it has the shade on the bottom of the box. Or on the top of the box, I'm sorry. It's like that with the name and everything, which is really nice. I love like really cute packaging, even if it's just the box. I love when companies and creators just take the time to make really cute packaging. Obsessed. Anywho, so then we have the 3 lippies in the collection. Packaging looks like this. You got the Urban Decay imprint. It says Urban Decay right there on the side. And then at the bottom, it has all 3 of the shades. This one is the one I'm wearing right now on my lips. Let me show you guys what they look like in the tube first. This one I haven't even used yet. It's called Cloud 9. It's a comfort matte. And it looks like this. It's a really pretty purple shade. And it just says Kristen Leanne right there with a heart. All the lipsticks have that on there. So it's really, really pretty, really signature to her. So that is what that shade looks like. That is in the shade Cloud 9. Once again, that is a comfort matte. All right, so that is what that shade looks like. How pretty. I love that. It's such a pretty color. And this is what Spellbound looks like. A very deep, dark, vampy shade. Kind of like a deep, vampy plum shade. Really pretty if you're going for like a vampy look. And then we have the shade that I'm wearing right now. And this one is Bun Bun. I love this shade. It's like a really pretty taupey nude shade. So beautiful. Oh, I love this color so much. Woo! Okay, so there is Bun Bun. How gorgeous is that? Like a taupey brownie nude. So pretty. I love this shade. It's so pretty. All right, you guys, so that's going to be it for the entire collection. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you liked it and subscribe if you're new. Hey girl, hey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we don't lose each other. And then also, if you are subscribed to my channel, just be sure to hit that little bell next to the subscribe button. That's going to give you guys notifications on anytime I come out with a new video. YouTube's been getting kind of crazy lately, and I know a lot of you guys aren't getting notifications on my new videos. So that's going to make sure that you guys get that for sure. And yeah, I think that's going to be it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I hope to see you in my next video.